Thank you.
Don't put me on camera.
I did.
Dog, that chop top is sexy. I don't know whose truck it is. I usually don't know whose truck it is, but I like this one. Golly. Chase,
what?
It's not your stuff in there. Get out.
Oh, I was looking. There's a big old VF Goodrich tire. Some racing wheels.
So, guys, it's day one here at C10 Nationals. We kind of got some time to kill because people are still pulling in, and it's our opportunity to finally ride in some of these Optima Series trucks.
We haven't done. No, these aren't Optima Series.
These are not Optima Series. What are they?
They're just AutoCross trucks, and we're going to be riding in them for the first time. We haven't done this before.
I do. I'm riding with Finch. I thought my camera was recording the whole time. I'm in the truck with Mr. Finch himself. He's going to try to scare me, and I'm excited because I've never got to ride in these trucks, and this is my first time, and I get to ride with the man himself. What power plant's in this truck?
So this is a Stock & Dickey's race shop full custom LS7. So it's a concept performance block LSR with AFR heads, full billet rotating assembly. Kurt Urban built it, made 650 pump gas, and then we make 720 wheel on the juice.
6-speed?
Yep, 6-speed, 256 Magnum for bolder performance. Bare brakes, forged line wheels, of course BF Goodrich tires.
And your chassis?
And yeah, my chassis. So.
And it's just a Finch built chassis. It's based on your design.
Yep, it was something that I wanted to build to do everything, right? There's a lot of people out there had chassis that were more focused on race. There's a lot of people that had chassis focused on just riding around, but I wanted everything. I wanted stance, I wanted performance, But there was things that I wanted, some of the design stuff I wanted in there was, an 18 by 12 wheel, 335 square, could rotate your tires.
Yeah.
Right? We've got 4 inches of ground clearance. These things sit really low, but they do not drag on any speed bumps. They don't drag into any parking lots. Everything is tucked up under the frame rails, so nothing hangs below. We have a full bed, so we only had to raise the bed floor 3 inches, so you can't tell. So it's still a functional bed. You can throw all your stuff in there. We wanted to keep it a truck, right? These all have air conditioning. This thing has 10-inch subs, 2 amps. This is a full-blown, it's a 4,000-pound street truck, right? So.
And y'all, where y'all from?
I'm out of Nashville, Tennessee.
And y'all drove how many trucks here?
8 trucks.
8 trucks, and y'all drove them here. You're gonna bring them down, bang on them, drive them back.
Yep, that's what we do every year. We road trip these things all over. No trailers.
Drivers, baby. We're gonna go. We're getting close to the starting line. I'm excited. He's gonna bang through these gears and see how this thing goes. I'm pumped. I'm probably gonna be in this world now. That's just how it works. Goodbye, Jake.
See you, Russell.
I'm probably finna feel some things I've never felt before. You excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Here we go. Okay, I want one for sure now. I was really worried a few times there. I want one of these trucks now, just in case y'all didn't know. That was awesome, man.
What do you think, Russell?
That was awesome, dude. It was awesome. It is like watching the cones come at you and wondering when he's gonna slow down and he doesn't. It's pretty rad. It just goes. He points it and it goes. I want one now, Chase. Let's build one.
We're building one.
Okay.
We're building one.
Okay.
Fan, have y'all ever done this before?
Nope. This is my second time.
Your second time. What do you think about it?
It's insane, man. The way they just hug those corners and then they can stop and rev up. It's something you have to experience.
All we're gonna be building is race trucks from here on out.
That's it.
I promise you, when you get back, that's all you're gonna care about. How was it?
Oh man, awesome, bro. Awesome.
Charles, that's I'm from Camarillo, California.
This your truck?
That's my truck. I've had it since I was 16 years old, 1978. I bought a brand new for me. It was a repo. I got it after 9 months old. And then Brian Finch put a Apex Predator chassis with a Hellcat, 800 horsepower at the rear tires. 99, that gives you, talk to an engineer, they can tell you that's the Bible. And it's a great truck.
Now you're ready to bang on it.
They're telling me I'm knocking the shit out of a bunch of cones, but you know.
Ah, they're just cones. You ready, boy? You was born ready, Ricky?
How'd that do? Did I leave anything on the table?
I wasn't in there. Did he leave anything on the table?
Russell, that was so much fun. I need to experience it again, but that was because I couldn't. I was saying, oh my gosh. It was so fast. It happened so fast. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you.
All right, guys. The sun's beaming out here, so I'm here at the Low Life booth. I'm gonna get me one of these straw hats so I can keep the sun off my red ass neck. That's much better. Thanks, Low Life.
My name is Jim. We're with Addicted to Octane. This is Matt.
What's going on? And this is our 93 OBS Chevy truck. We picked this truck up, what, about a year and a half ago, I would think. It was an old farm truck, V6 truck, didn't run. Bed sides were caved in, so we've spent just about every free minute we have building it to what it is now. We started with a 2014 Tahoe LS motor that we Procharged and put all sorts of BTR goodies to it. Got a 6L90 transmission, custom paint. We did everything ourselves in our garage. Every bolt has been touched on this truck twice. It came apart, full frame off. Everything's brand new. We've got everything done except for the interior. You want to check out the interior?
The one thing that's not done.
The only thing that's not done, but you got to check it out.
Oh,
anyway.
it looks rad.
We just got the roll cage installed this week. We built our custom seat pan bracket and installed these awesome Amazon seats in it. This week before LS Fest, actually, we're going to try and get the dash built. Some it handles in here and should be ready to go for LS Fest next week.
So what's y'all's YouTube channel and how do they find you?
Check us out on Addicted to Octane on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So, I guess you guys need to go follow Addicted to Octane everywhere they have social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. All right, guys, today I pretty much focused on the vendor areas because it's Friday and I know a lot of y'all had to work on Friday, so you're all gonna be here on Saturday. So tomorrow I'm gonna be out in the main show area where all of you guys are gonna have your trucks, and I'm gonna get coverage of everybody out there as best I can. There's gonna be so many trucks, it's gonna be hard to get everybody, but I'm gonna be out there, guys. I'm gonna let everybody see what you got. We're gonna try to bring you as much coverage as we can of these shows and still try to make this fun. I appreciate everybody watching. Old Mac looks cool over here. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
We get two-step now.